Hi guys, heisapro is glad to have you back. In previous videos, we've discussed the CorelDRAW basics and we also explored some of the most important CorelDRAW tools. Make sure you have full understanding of those tools before you continue your journey from beginner to pro. In this tutorial, we will effectively utilize the Edit title in the menu bar to manipulate objects in CorelDRAW. We will learn how to copy, paste, cut, duplicate and clone objects. Without further delay, let's get started. The first aspect we will discuss is how to copy and paste objects in CorelDRAW. There are 4 basic ways which can be used to perform these operations. As always, let's start by drawing an object. The first way is by going to the menu bar, click on Edit, then select Copy. You now need to go back to Edit, then select Paste. This pastes the exact copy of the original object in the same location. As you can see, we have 2 objects, the original object and the copy. There is also an option of Paste in View, and this pastes the copy of the original object at another location in the workspace. The second way to copy and paste is by using the shortcut keys. So you select the object, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the object, and press Ctrl+V to paste the copy of the object in the exact location. Now, the third way to copy and paste is by selecting the object. Then you left click and drag the object to another location. Then you right click till you notice a plus symbol at the base of the pick tool. And this implies that you like to paste a copy of the original object in another location. Then you proceed to release your mouse. So you simply select the object, left click and drag and right click. To remove an object you no longer need, you can simply press delete on your keyboard. Or you select the object, go to Edit, then select delete. The fourth way to copy and paste is by selecting the object. Then you right click and drag the object to a different location. And now you release your mouse. You have the options of moving the object to the new location or copying the object to the new location. So if you select copy here, we see that the object is copied to the new location. So you select the object, right click and drag, then release your mouse, then move here. And as you can see, the object is moved to the new location. Let's now discuss how to copy the properties of a particular object to a reference object. So now let's draw an ellipse. Select the ellipse tool. Let's now add a fill to the rectangle. So let's select the rectangle and let's give it a red fill and a blue outline. And let's adjust the width of the outline. To copy the fill of the rectangle to that of the ellipse, select the rectangle, then you right click and drag it towards the ellipse till a circular symbol appears. Then you release your mouse and select copy fill here. And as you can see, the ellipse now has a red fill. To copy the outline of the rectangle, select the rectangle, right click and drag towards the ellipse, release your mouse and select copy outline here. And as you can see, the ellipse has a blue outline. And finally, to copy all the properties of the rectangle to that of the ellipse, select the rectangle, right click and drag towards the ellipse, then select copy all properties. And as you can see, the ellipse now has a red fill and a blue outline. To cut an object in CorelDRAW, select the object, then go to Edit and select Cut. And you can go back to Edit to either paste the object in its exact location or paste the object in View. You can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl+X on your keyboard to cut the object and Ctrl+V to paste the object. A faster way to copy or cut an object is by selecting the object, then you right click, and we can either cut or copy the object. We will now explore how to duplicate objects in CorelDRAW. This is a faster way to copy and paste an object in view. To duplicate an object, simply select the object, then go to Edit and select Duplicate. And this creates an exact copy of the original object. Or you can use the shortcut keys Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate the object. Lastly, let's see how we can clone objects in CorelDRAW. Cloning an object is quite similar to duplicate, but the major difference is that the clone is linked to the original object. This means that any changes made to the original object will automatically be reflected in the clone. To clone an object, select the object, then go to Edit and select Clone. And this creates a duplicate of the object. Now, if we were to apply any changes to the original object, so let's select the original object, then let's select our shape tool, and let's make curvy corners. We see that it is reflected in the clone. We can also transform the object, and we see that the clone is affected by the transformations of the original object. So guys, that will be all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.